know it's been a minute. I know I haven't posted in a long time. I'm so sorry first to myself and to you all. So let me get back to making these videos, okay? Because that short hair life is fun and I want to share it with everybody. It's been a couple months. Well, I know a couple means 2, and some people actually use it in context. I don't. A couple could mean 500 million, you know, more than one. Anyways, let me not digress. Oh, but before I get into it all, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notifications if you haven't, so you can know next time I post. So my hair isn't done yet. I know sometimes people do their intros to their videos with their hair done, but my hair's not done yet. This is kind of like an old do. Actually, it's only 1 day old, but it's a lot of product. If you watched HappyCurlHappyGirl's video, my girl Rayna's video, you will see where we did my hair, and you'll also see all the product we used and why. It wasn't intentional. Just go watch that video and you'll see why. It's 36 hours later from the other video. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this out and I'm gonna show you how I style my hair now that I'm keeping it short. It's shorter than the last videos you've seen. It's shorter than when I did the big chop. And I thought maybe I'll let my hair grow, and as it grows, I'll learn to take care of short hair, and then a little longer than short, a little longer, a little longer, a little longer. I'll learn how to take care of it as it grows longer and longer. But I couldn't help myself. I was enjoying the short hair life, and then when I would get up and go and I knew how to do the short hair in 30 minutes, I would only have 30 minutes. I would only give myself still 30 minutes to get up and go, and I kind of needed like 45 minutes because my hair was longer now, and the technique I was doing at first wasn't the technique I could continue doing. You know, you can't just go over it with a sponge brush. I was doing the sponge brush at first, you know. So okay, I'm talking so much. I hate that about some videos. They just talk. They just talk. And you're like, they just talk. And you're like, get to the point. So we're gonna get right to the meat of it. I'm gonna show you how I style my hair now that is shorter than the other videos, and I hope it helps you, you know, try the technique. I believe I know my number and letter now, thanks to Rayna. I am, drum roll, 3C, yay me, okay. I'm sorry, 4C community, I love y'all. I be watching y'all videos and doing the technique too. I'm not gonna say that, you know, everybody can't enjoy this video no matter what curl pattern you are. You might just have to tweak the technique. Tweak the technique for your letter and number. Some of my hair is I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I can show you. So I need to wash this out, y'all. I need to wash this out bad. This needs to be washed out like yesterday, okay? So don't judge me. Okay, let me get close so y'all can see this. I hate having to do the little hand thing, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. My hair is pretty springy, as you can see. You know, it's curly. Right now it's a lot of product, you know, on it, but my hair is pretty springy. So this 3C coil is like that. I didn't put a scarf on last night, so we got some fuzzy wuzzies right here. Yeah, I'm trying to find a straight one. There's like always some little straight ones back here. I don't even know how to explain it, y'all. Oh, there go one, there go one. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Okay, look, I don't know why my hair does this. It's so straight. All, you know, you can do all this all day long, and then there's like a thug straight hair somewhere. Like, look, there you go, right there. Oh my gosh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? All the water product in the world, and those bad boys still find a way to rise above it all. My hair, you know, all of us have different interesting hair. It's like some strands are, you know, their own personality. They have like no curl at all, and then there's these bad babies. These babies, they're not bad, they're all good babies. These little babies don't want to they don't lay and swoop like right here. It lays and swoop right here. It's like boing boing boing. that's just the curly life. You're gonna get to know your hair, and you're gonna realize your hair is not the same in all spots and places. Okay, I just washed my hair. I don't want to skip a step, so I'm gonna comb through it and everything right here for you. We're gonna go through everything. Y'all can also see the shape of my haircut now, so that you can understand, like if you want to go to the barber shop and ask them how to cut your hair. Let me pick it all the way out. It's taller. It's so crazy how uneven looking it looks, but it is shaped. That's the shape of it pretty much. It barely goes out further than my ear. It's like, it's not that long. It's that long on this side. About twice as long. So up top is twice as long as the sides. It look like that from the side, y'all. We're only gonna use 2 products. We're gonna use Shea Moisture. We're gonna use this version of Shea Moisture, the curl enhancing smoothie. Everyone knows this bad boy, right? I used about equal amounts of equal amounts of Shea Moisture. Step 1 is washing your hair. Step 2 is, what did I do? Comb it. Step 2 is comb through it. Step 3 is like adding 2 products. Adding Shea Moisture first, and then adding the Eco Gel second. Working it through your hair. Step 4. You don't have to have step 4, or you can modify what's gonna be your step 4. You can skip this step if you want to. So I might have 1 extra step than what you have to do. I'm gonna do this because it makes it a little easier for me. I'm gonna comb through my hair one more time, but this time I'm gonna comb it all down. Oh, you see my curls are already trying to form. And then let's get into it now. Let's just go through each little section and just start grabbing hair. It makes it easier for me to just use my fingers after I've combed it down with the comb. If I don't, then I'm always like having to comb through it, break it apart, whatever. Okay, so basically I have defined all my curls. So as you can see, they're defined, section separate, all that jazz. Yeah, hopefully y'all can see it all. Now we need to style the hair because you could walk outside just looking like this, but we're not gonna do that. Give yourself also time for your hair to kind of like dry. Sometimes if I put on too much Shea moisture, I'll get a towel and I'll do like this. Just kind of squeeze lightly, not too hard. Like I'll squeeze, here we go. Like, I can't really show you. Just don't go too hard, and then you might need to redefine the curls in that area, and it'll take out some of the white product. Now, I don't use edge control because one thing I've learned, edge control just seems sometimes to just act like thick wax. Like I said, if there's a section that's clumped together or feel that the curl isn't as defined in that area, just go back over it, grab it up, and you know, do this. I can't see the back of my head, so I never know what it looks like, but I can feel it. I can feel if a curl feels really like luscious or really like poofy. So I'll go back over those areas that feel a little poofy until they come together. Like, let's see a poofy area. This area is kind of like not really defined, so I'll take it and do that. Make it more defined. So you see that's the difference between defined and not defined. I know you see a lot of product, but you just wipe it a little bit if you need to, but it's gonna dry. Like, these two products for me don't cause flaking. So I'm just gonna use some more Eco to define the front. Edges are everything, y'all. You know, like, you can do like 15 different styles. I bet y'all I can do like 10 different styles with just changes to the edges, okay? That's gonna be my next like video challenge. How many different looks can you do by just slaying your edges? Okay? Like, style by slay. Styling 10 styles by slaying your edges different ways. Yeah, that's a long title, but hey, yeah, that's that. So that's how I'm doing my hair lately. And then when I tie it down with a scarf, it'll flatten out on the sides more. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Oh, hold on, we gotta get a thumbnail, y'all. We gotta get a thumbnail. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell.